as you all know, the black box here, the tubing from the black box going up, you can't get it anymore, and it all falls away and corrodes away. So during the rebuild, I asked the mechanic to give us a solution, and what he did was he welded this big fat tubing together. And actually this tube here, he says, goes down into here about yay far. So that tube actually is not, anyway, it goes into there. And this big fat tubing is good because they had a fat piece of tube there. Anyway, so more chamber. Then he brought it up here, put this elbow on it, and then we are going to come back to the PVC valve. You know, anyway, he's going to put another 90 on it so it keeps the valve about vertical like it came. So anyway, there it is, the old A20. Look at that, A20A3 fuel injected Honda Accord. I had to put a new cam in it. I did want the old one reground, but I'm going to save the old cam. They say sometimes even a new cam really needs to be ground. So we had broken studs here on the ends. Fix that up. Look at that. All nice painted black, new soft plugs, freeze plugs. The head's been all gone over. I think it's around 30 thousandths over. So all right, boys and girls, we're gonna hope and we're gonna pray that this thing goes super good. And at any rate, yeah, this is what I really wanted to show you guys. Okay, so that is the solution that we did right there. That is the solution to the black box tubing hoses mystery. All right, you guys, once this gets back in the car, I'll let you all know how it goes. And we did something else here. Hey, is this the delete job here?
Yes.
So this is capped off. So see, he capped off, see if I can get that. Anyway, kind of hard to see, but get in there and we capped that off. We're going to leave the valve on and we're going to plug it back in so we don't get a code thrown. And then we're going to come down here and show you this exhaust manifold. And look at that. Look at that. So hopefully this is all solid as a rock. What did you do here? You welded it full?
Yeah, so I just cut the pipe off because I couldn't get this out. This thing is seized in there.
I know, dude.
I just cut the pipe off, welded it up, and smoothed it out.
This right here not coming out is a nightmare for, trust me, many people with this engine. It's been experienced many times before.
I tried heat. I tried the biggest damn
So
fire.
there is a solution that he came up with. He couldn't get it out of there. I couldn't get it out of there. He did every mechanic's trick in the book, and it was still stuck in there. All right, excellent job, man. All right, we'll catch you guys a while ago, 3Gers. Just really wanted to show you that black box, the crankcase ventilation solution. Good luck, boys.